This is the final result of this hair. I am really loving this hair so much. Like, I love the style as well that I did. I decided to go for a half up, half down, and I really love it. Like, I feel like it suits the texture of the hair. So it's giving me type 4 natural hair vibes, just like just as if I straightened or blow dried my natural hair. So what I'm really going to emphasize on in this video slash review is their lace. So this is a normal regular lace. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if it's focusing properly. This is a normal regular lace, yeah, and this is what the normal regular lace looks like against your skin. Okay, so here is the lace MyShinyWigs work with. It's a seamless lace. I really like it. The lace is soft. So aside from this type of texture of hair, MyShinyWigs really do work with all types of hair, like Brazilian, Peruvian, whatever type of hair you want. They gave me different options, but obviously I chose this one because I haven't done anything with this type of hair texture on my channel. I'm really loving this hair texture. Like, it's giving me natural vibes. If you want to try something different, this is a very good option. And yeah, this hair is so good. Obviously I didn't straighten it too tough because I still wanted the texture in the hair. This hair is so soft, even after shampooing, conditioning, because you guys know I always shampoo my wigs before I even install them. So even after all of that, this hair is still soft. Okay, it's still soft. Obviously it's not gonna flow like a Brazilian hair because it's a yaki type of hair, but yeah, it doesn't tangle at all. Even regardless of the texture of the hair doesn't tangle. Shedding is really minimal. The customer service is A1. When I tell you, they're really nice. They kept me updated every single time, and yeah, I really love it. It's really soft. The density is perfect for the type of hair that it is. Like, the hair is just overall good. Okay, another thing I'm gonna say is the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Like, they give you like the hair hanger, literally, for you to hang your wig so it can stay like straight and, you know, all that stuff. And obviously you hang it and you just put it inside the packaging, and it's really nice. Okay, that's a very good thing, to be fair. Aside from that, it comes with a goodie bag as well. They give you 2 wig caps, 1, and 2. So they also give you an edge brush, also a brush for you to define your part in, a comb, a rattle comb, and a tweezer. You know, if you want to switch it up, like, this is a very good option, and it's just so cute for summer. Okay, the only thing is I had a bit of issue laying down the edges, but that has nothing to do with the lace. It's just my sideburns, like, because I've got sideburns up to here, like, it's just long sometimes. But anyways, that's all I have to say about this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love it, and I hope you guys are loving the style on me. So all the hair info, hair link, where to purchase it from, all their contacts will be in the description box down below. So in case you guys want to purchase, please make sure you check it out. A big shout out to MyShinyWigs for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it, and thank you so much for you guys tuning in back with me and watching and supporting and loving me as always. I love you guys so much. I really do appreciate you all, and God bless you. So you know what, we're gonna wrap it up, okay? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.